Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has criticized President Bola Ahmed Tinubu after Sheyi Tinubu, the president's son, was accused of assault and abduction by a student leader whose name is Atiku Abubakar Issa. The incident allegedly happened on 15th of April 2025 in Lagos State, but Sheyi denies all claims. Atiku Issa, who claims to be a factional president of the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, said he was attacked after rejecting a 100 million naira bribe from Sheyi Tinubu and the Minister of Youth Development, Ayodele Olawande. Issa alleged that he was stripped, beaten and held by unknown men. Sheyi responded on Instagram saying he had never met Issa and called the story false, an attempt to damage his reputation. This controversy has sparked political tension, with supporters and critics clashing over the truth. The presidential aide, Sunday Ashefon, accused opposition figures like former Governor Nasir El-Rufai of sponsoring Issa to discredit the Tinubu family ahead of the 2027 election. El-Rufai, however, called for justice and an investigation, asking why no law enforcement agency had responded to these allegations. Issa denied staying in El-Rufai's house. He also defended his meetings with opposition leaders, saying they did not make him an anti-government, warned against silencing students or civil society. The presidency is a public trust, not a private inheritance, he said. Also on the other hand, Afenifere, a Yoruba socio-political group, defended the president's son, saying the allegations were part of a political attack. The situation remains tense, with calls for an independent investigation growing louder. Nigerians are watching closely as this story continues to unfold. You can share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And please keep watching Naija News TV.